Imagine being in a large bustling factory filled with the sweet aroma of freshly baked cakes. It's a sensory delight, but there's more to it than meets the eye. Every day, thousands of cakes roll off the production line, destined for supermarkets and bakeries all over the country. But how do they maintain such high standards of taste and quality? Let's hear from the experts. Jin-Soo Kim, a veteran baker with over 2 decades of experience, shares his insights. The key to good cake production is consistency and hygiene, he explains. Every ingredient must be measured accurately, and each step of the process must be followed diligently. But above all, maintaining a clean and hygienic working environment is paramount. Hygiene standards in South Korean cake factories are indeed rigorous. Before stepping onto the factory floor, workers must undergo a stringent hygiene check. This includes washing their hands thoroughly, wearing hairnets, and donning clean, sanitized uniforms. It's not just about keeping the cakes free from contamination, says Hyun-ji Park, a quality assurance manager. It's about respecting the product and the consumer. Another vital part of the production process is the ingredient selection. We source the best quality ingredients locally where possible, says Min Jae Lee, a procurement manager. Fresh cream, for instance, must be of the highest quality and used within a specific time frame to ensure the cake's flavor and texture are just right. To summarize, the production of cakes on a large scale involves a meticulous process. It starts with stringent hygiene checks for workers, followed by careful ingredient selection. Each step of the baking process is closely monitored to ensure consistency and quality. And above all, there's a deep respect for the product and the consumer, which shows in every bite of the cake. So, the next time you enjoy a slice of cake, remember that it's not just about the delicious taste. It's also the result of a dedicated team of workers and strict hygiene standards that ensure you're enjoying a quality product. Because as Jin-Soo Kim puts it, a good cake is not just a treat, it's a testament to hard work and dedication.